Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back once again in my class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. In the previous video, we have discussed about and we are also started our revision of chapter 1, the sentence. And there we have discussed about sentence and kinds of sentences. And at last I have given you homework A. Rearrange the following groups of words into meaningful sentences. I hope you all have done your homework in your notebook. I'm going to repeat it once again so you can write down easily and you also understood. First one is raining it. Make sure you have to write meaningful sentences. Then is raining does not give any meaningful sentence. So here it is raining. Your answer is it is raining. And second, women are they beautiful. You have to write they are beautiful women. They are beautiful women. They are beautiful women. You can see if it is not visible clearly. I'm reading it. You can also write by listening. Third one, bark dogs. Your answer is dogs bark. Dogs bark. Fourth one, the sun is the ball fire off. Your answer is the sun is a ball of fire. The sun is a ball of fire. Fifth one, the is lotus lovely a flower. Your answer is the lotus is a lovely flower. The lotus is a lovely flower. Sixth one, give shade us trees and fruits. Your correct answer is trees give us shade and fruits. Seventh one, is the Delhi capital India of? Your answer is Delhi is the capital of India. Eighth one, last one, beautiful very is the Taj Mahal. Your answer is the Taj Mahal is very beautiful. My dear students, you have to write down these meaningful sentences in your textbook also. Okay? Now D. Pick out the subject and the verb from the following sentences and write them. I have already explained it. Here in the third one you have to write there the girl is singing. Subject the girl and verb you have to write is singing, not be singing. Okay? Is singing. Now the fourth one, it was raining. What is the subject here? It. Verb was raining. Was raining. Now fifth one, we all need air. We all need air. Here subject is we all. You have to write there A-double-L. A-double-L. All. Verb need air. Need air. Sixth one, Sanjay and Rahul are fighting. Subject, what is subject here? Sanjay and Rahul. And verb are fighting. What is verb? All doing and action words are verb. And you can see the next C, question C. Put a tick mark on the box for the complete sentence and cross for the incomplete ones. Okay? You have to do in your textbook also. Okay? First one, Dave likes football. Dave likes football. It is correct sentence or incomplete? It is complete sentence or incomplete? It is complete sentence. You have to tick. Okay? For the second one, turning left. Turning left. It is incomplete sentence. You have to cross there. Third one, who are you? Who are you? It is complete sentence. You have to tick. Now fourth one, the dancing doll. The dancing dog. It is incomplete one. Okay. Fifth one, we all need water. We all need water. It is correct. It is complete sentence. It is complete sentence. Sixth one, may you come soon. May you come soon. It is also correct and complete sentence. Complete sentence. Now the seventh one, why are you late? Why are you late? It is also complete sentence. Eighth one, running after the rail. Running after the rail. It is incomplete sentence. Okay. Now D. Here you can see on page number 7 some pictures of children are shown. They are playing and skipping. Okay. Now first picture, she is skipping. We can see the skipping rope. Now the second one, the boy is playing with the dog. With the dog. With the dog. Now the third one, who are playing there? They are playing badminton. They are playing badminton. Now here on page number 8 you can see that state the kinds of following sentences are given. Okay, here short forms are also written, but don't write short form. You have to write full spelling of kinds of sentences. Okay. Oh, now the first one, the sun rises in the east. In the east. It is assertive sentence. It is assertive sentence. The sun rises in the east. Then what is assertive sentence? The sentence which has subject before the verb. The subject before the verb. Then what is the sentence? What is the subject here? The sun. Rises is a verb. Okay. But the second one, the girls are making toy. What is verb here? Making. What is verb here? Making. It is also assertive sentence. Now third one, sit down. Sit down. Then what is this? It is exclamatory sentence. It is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence makes a very strong statement. Very strong statement. Okay, this is exclamatory sentence. Sit down. It gives very strong statement. Now the fourth one, have you completed your work? Have you completed your work? What is it? It is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? An interrogative sentence asks a question. And when the verb comes before the subject. Before the subject. Now fifth one, what a beautiful weather. What a beautiful weather. It is also exclamatory sentence. Sixth one, what is your name? What is your name? It is also interrogative sentence. It asks a question that what is your name? What is your name? Now, seventh one, may you live long. This is also exclamatory sentence. This is also exclamatory sentence. Okay. Now, 8, work hard. Work hard. It is also give very strong statement. Then what is it? It is exclamatory sentence. Now 9th one, please sit down. Please sit down. It also gives a statement that you have to sit there. You have to sit there. This is exclamatory sentence. Now the 10th one, hurrah, we have won the series. It is the feeling of joy that we have won the series, won the match. You can see the exclamation mark. Hurrah, we have won the series. This is exclamatory sentence. Now 11th one. May you be blessed with a good health. This is also exclamatory sentence. Now 12th one. Let her go. Let her go. This is also a statement that you have to go. This is exclamatory sentence. Now 13th one. Please don't park your car here. Okay, this is interrogative sentence. Now 4th one. How horrible the sight was. How horrible the sight was. It is exclamatory sentence. Now 15th and last one. Have you done your homework? It asks a question that have you done your homework or not? Sometimes we are also asking to you that have you done your homework? Which type of sentence this is? Which kind of sentence? Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Now F. Change the kind of each sentence as stated in the bracket. We have to change the kind of sentences inside the bracket. There you can see written which kind of sentence we have to write. Okay, the children are playing. We have to make this sentence into interrogative sentence. Then how you will write? Are the children playing? Are the children playing? Then this is interrogative sentence. And repeating once again, listen carefully. Interrogative sentence ask a question. Ask a question, and also it ends with a question mark. It ends with a question mark. Okay. Now second one. Here, are you going for shopping today? Here, assertive. We have to make this sentence into assertive sentence. Then how you will make? Here, you are going for shopping today. This is assertive sentence. I am repeating once again that the sentence which have subject before the verb are called assertive or declarative sentence. Here you can see the subject. What is? You are. Okay. Now third one. We like our neighbors. We like our neighbors. Again you have to make this sentence into interrogative sentence. So here how you will make? Here, do you like your neighbors? Question mark. Do you like your neighbors? It is interrogative sentence. It asks a question that do you like your neighbors, and it also ends with a question mark. Now fourth one. It is a lovely weather. Now again you have to make this sentence into exclamatory mark. The sentence is it is a lovely weather. How you will make in exclamatory mark? How? Here, what a lovely weather it is. It is. Now here you can see that the sentence ends with an exclamation marks. What a lovely weather, and ends with a exclamation mark. Again, we lost the match. We lost the match. Fifth one. We have to make this sentence into exclamatory. Now here, oh, we lost the match. It is sorrow. It is sorrow. A sentence that expresses a sudden feeling of Joy, sorrow or surprise is called an exclamatory sentence, and in this sentence here you can see sorrow. Oh, we lost the match. We lost the match. Here you can see sometimes we also use exclamation marks after the words, and you can see here, oh, we lost the match. We lost the match. Here exclamation marks is given there, you can see. Now my dear students, we have revised our chapter 1, the sentence, and it's time for your homework. Your homework is you have to write all exercises in your textbook. Okay, I hope you all will do your homework at your home, and please learn the definitions of all sentences and kinds of sentences. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you.